Hey, this is Mike Brady. So I wanted to shoot you this video to show you some of the things that will help you improve your website's rankings on Google and bring in more business and more jobs. I'm at your website right now, and what I've done is I've copied your URL and put it into a third-party scanner. I use RankDaddy for that. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at your main heading tags, because that's what Google looks at to determine what your site's about and what to rank it for. Your heading tags are your title tag, metadata tag, your H1 and H2 tag. Now your title tag is too long. The optimal length is between 10 and 70 characters, and you're getting marked down for this. This is why you're not consistently on page 1 of Google when you search for you guys. Your meta description is just right. So you're right in between on that. Your header tags, you're doing a good job there, but there could be some better verbiage there. The one good thing is you're not missing any attributes on your pictures, on your images. But being too long right here is what's holding you back from being on page 1 all the time. I don't know about you, but I usually pick the first 3 or 4 companies on page 1 and I get bids for them. So let's see how you're ranking right now, how your website's ranking on Google. And I use servtrack.io for this. You can get a free 30-day subscription and you can track your website every day. So right now on for these keywords, Bakersfield Kitchen Remodeler, you're at 9th, which is good. That puts you on page 1 for that. Bakersfield Remodeling Company, you're on page 2 for that, and also Bakersfield Remodeling Contractors are on page 2 for that. Now, we can fix this for you. It's what we do. It's why I'm reaching out. We can make sure that you stay on page 1 and get more business that way. So if you have any questions, please respond to the email. Thanks for your time.